Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam and want to boost your speaking and listening skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best apps available for Android that can help enhance your IELTS preparation. Let's dive in and discover the tools that can set you up for success on test day. IELTS Speaking Mastery. IELTS Speaking Mastery is a comprehensive app designed to help users improve their speaking skills specifically for the IELTS exam. The app features a wide range of practice materials, including sample questions and model answers that reflect the actual IELTS speaking test format. Users can engage in simulated speaking tests and receive instant feedback on their responses, allowing them to identify areas for improvement. The app also offers tips and strategies for enhancing fluency, vocabulary, and pronunciation, making it ideal for test takers looking to boost their speaking scores. With its user-friendly interface and extensive resources, IELTS Speaking Mastery is an excellent tool for IELTS candidates. IELTS Listening Vocabulary. IELTS Listening Vocabulary focuses on enhancing the vocabulary and listening skills essential for performing well on the IELTS listening section. The app provides users with a range of listening exercises based on various topics commonly encountered in the exam. Users can listen to audio recordings while following along with transcripts, helping them improve their comprehension and retention. In addition, the app includes vocabulary-building exercises that emphasize key terms and phrases relevant to the IELTS listening test. Through practice quizzes and interactive activities, IELTS Listening Vocabulary not only prepares users for the test, but also enriches their overall language skills. IELTS Practice Test. IELTS Practice Test is an invaluable app for anyone preparing for the IELTS exam, offering a comprehensive platform to practice all four components: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The app includes a variety of practice tests that simulate the actual exam environment, allowing users to experience the test format firsthand. Users can track their progress and performance through detailed analytics and feedback, helping them identify strengths and weaknesses. Additionally, the app features test tips, strategies, and study resources, making it a well-rounded tool for effective exam preparation. With its extensive practice materials and user-friendly design, IELTS Practice Test is essential for serious IELTS candidates. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top IELTS apps helps you find the perfect resources for your exam preparation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and study guides. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.